Welcome to What is New in? Today, we're diving into a paradigm shift in Earth science, a change so profound it's really on par with the discovery of plate tectonics.
You know, back in the 1960s, plate tectonics completely flipped our understanding of the Earth. That was the first big revolution. Well, here in 2026, we are smack in the middle of the second one. And this time, it's not just a new theory, it's a whole new kind of intelligence that's driving the discovery itself.
And the speed of this change is just staggering. We're not talking about slightly faster computers. This is a full-on fusion of geology and technology that's rewriting the rules of how we explore, understand, and even interact with our planet.
So what's the engine behind all this? It's a completely new kind of AI. If the last few years were all about AI that could talk to you, this new era is about AI that can actually do things.
This is what we call agentic AI. Think of it less like a chatbot and more like an autonomous colleague. You can give it a high-level goal, right? Something like, hey, assess this entire region for mineral potential. And it just goes. It'll autonomously pull satellite imagery, chew through geological surveys, cross-reference decades of drilling data, and then present you with a high-probability map, all on its own.
And you can see this incredible leap in conceptual platforms like the Brain 15. We're shifting away from having a bunch of separate siloed tools to a single unified system that's 5 times faster. But the really crucial part? Its focus is moving away from just generating text to applying real mathematical logic to solve complex, boots-on-the-ground problems.
For any geologists out there, this is an absolute game changer. I mean, it's like having this tireless assistant that can analyze mountains of seismic data, find these subtle little anomalies you might otherwise miss, and even go out and manage autonomous drone surveys for you. This isn't science fiction anymore. It is happening right now.
And, if you want to stay on top of fascinating breakthroughs just like this in our field, I can't recommend this enough. Go check out PGO Ricardo Valls on YouTube. He does some excellent deep dives.
So what does this revolution actually look like out in the real world? Well, it starts right on the surface, with the complete automation of everything from remote-controlled machinery to fully connected, intelligent job sites.
This just perfectly illustrates the new reality. Get this, in a landmark demonstration, an operator in India remotely controlled a massive excavator that was physically located in Japan. That's over 7,000 kilometers away. Geographical barriers are just dissolving, making operations safer and way more accessible than ever before.
And this is all powered by integrated systems like EarthBrain. It's basically an AI platform that lets entire fleets of heavy equipment like these huge Komatsu dump trucks operate autonomously. They're optimizing their own routes, which helps address labor shortages and gives a massive boost to efficiency.
Okay, but here's the problem that's plagued the industry for years, right? How do you get a John Deere machine to talk to a Caterpillar system? It's been a huge headache. The answer, finally, is a new global standard. ISO/TS 15143-4 is creating a common language for all this tech.
And this standard is a massive step forward. It allows these mixed fleets to work together like one cohesive system. For the very first time, data can flow seamlessly from the design software in the office straight to the machinery out in the dirt, no matter what brand it is.
Okay, let's go from the surface now and dive deep. I mean, really deep. Let's see how this technology is helping us tackle one of the foundational questions in all of geology. What is truly driving plate tectonics?
The theory of plate tectonics is over 60 years old. It's the bedrock of modern geology, we all know that. But there's always been this one crucial piece missing: direct, physical evidence from where all the action starts, the Earth's mantle.
Well, in 2026, that's all about to change. This incredible vessel, the Mengxiang, is setting out to get that very evidence. It represents the most ambitious deep Earth exploration mission ever even attempted.
Its goal is to drill 11,000 meters, that's 11 kilometers, straight down through the ocean floor, pierce the oceanic crust, and pull up the first ever physical samples from the boundary where the crust meets the mantle. This could finally confirm, or maybe even refine, our models of how our planet actually works.
By analyzing these first-of-their-kind samples, scientists are going to get an unprecedented understanding of the immense forces that drive literally everything we see on the surface, from the formation of continents to volcanoes just like this one. So here's the crucial point. What does all of this, from autonomous bulldozers to deep mantle drilling, actually mean for geologists, for students, and for Earth enthusiasts in their day-to-day work?
Well, it completely revolutionizes the workflow. Step 1, data collection becomes autonomous. Then, AI helps interpret all that data to find hidden patterns we might have missed. From there, predictive models can map out mineral prospectivity with incredible accuracy, which all leads to projects that are faster, safer, and far more predictable.
This quote really just captures the moment we're in perfectly. The goal here isn't to replace human expertise, it's to augment it with these incredibly powerful new tools. Embracing this technology is going to be the key to staying at the forefront of the field.
And what's truly exciting about all this is the democratization of science. This technology is becoming so accessible that even enthusiasts can now run sophisticated professional-level analyses right from their own laptops. The barrier to entry for making a real discovery is just crumbling.
This second Earth science revolution is really just getting started, and it poses a thrilling question for anyone who is passionate about understanding our world. What will you discover next?
If you want to keep exploring these breakthroughs, I really do recommend checking out PGO Ricardo Valls' YouTube channel. And hey, if you found this explainer valuable, please subscribe for more, hit that like button, and share it with others who are passionate about our planet.
Thanks for watching What is New In. Until next time, keep exploring.
Welcome to my channel, where you'll find over 2,000 videos on geology, geochemistry, AI, and many other subjects. If you like what you see, help us grow by subscribing, liking, and sharing this channel.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.